Hello, good day. Today we're going to be looking at BECE 2019 Basic Science Past Question, question 36. BECE 2019 Basic Science Past Question, question 36. Iron ore is a mineral resource found in. Iron ore is a mineral resource found in. Now I believe you know what iron ore is. Iron ore is the raw material. Iron ore is the raw material. That's iron ore is the raw material for iron, is the main raw material for iron. And now we have to ask, they were asked that where can we find this iron ore, that's where can we find it mostly as a mineral, where is it found mostly? A says Ewekoro. Now I want you to know that Ewekoro is in what? Ogun State. It's in Ogun State. Ewekoro is in Ogun State. And here, things you find here is mostly what? Alunites. You find mostly alunites in Ewekoro, not iron ore. So mostly in Ewekoro in Ogun State, you find alunites. Now BECE here on the other hand is found in Oyo State. Oyo State. You find it in Oyo State. And here what you find mainly here is gold. You find gold here in Oyo State, in BECE in Oyo State. Now C says Ilesha. Ilesha is found in Osun State. You find Ilesha in Osun State, and the main mineral resources found in Ilesha is gold and mica. You find gold and mica. Now this is what? Itakpe. Now Itakpe is in what? Kogi State. Itakpe is in Kogi State, and the main mineral resource you find here is iron ore. You find iron ore mainly in Itakpe in Kogi State. So from this you see that what? D is our answer. D is our answer, which is what? Itakpe, which is in Kogi State. So it's D, Itakpe. That's where you find what? Iron ore. So the answer is D. Thank you very much. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.